honey bunny buns are like 2 bun in 1, or 3. You've got 2 ears and the face. And you take 1/8 of the whole dough, and then you cut that in half, and then you cut one of those pieces in half again for the ears. And what you do for the ears is you take your piece, and I stretch it in my hand ever so slightly. And I gotta tell you, it is so much easier to shape dough like this that's inherently soft by putting it in the fridge first for about a half an hour, and that stiffens it up. When it's straight at room temperature, then it's a little tackier and harder to handle. So half hour, hour in the fridge makes it easy to roll if you're doing sticky buns, or to roll into ears, as we're doing now. I like to roll them out to about 12 inches long. If you need a ruler, get yourself a ruler, put it in front of you, and I stretch in my hands first to make it even, and I expand my fingers as I go out, putting pretty decent pressure down on the dough, and as I get closer to the edges, I spread my fingers, and what that does is it tapers the edges and keeps the middle a little fatter. It's kind of like making a pretzel, except you're just doing one loop. You want it fatter at this end, and then I pinch this end, and that's the bunny ear. And it's great when they're not perfect. If one's longer than the other, if one's floppier than the other, those are your made from scratch moments that are the best, because clearly you made this with love and by hand. Who else makes honey bunnies but us? We bakers, right? People are gonna love your honey bunnies. And those two, the amazing thing about this dough is that you would think now, looking at the ears before they've proofed, that they'd be like breadsticks. They're not. This dough proofs up so pillowy that you get 2 ears that are just as fluffy as little bunny's face.